Hi everyone, this video is oriented for the students who wants to type and write their BA thesis or master thesis or PhD. So to insert and add a header for your paper, just go and click on this button, insert, then search for a header and choose one of these examples here. For example, I will choose this one. It's more simple, and you can type, for example, Harvard University. For me, it's the header and the mark of the university, and you will have this header for each page. Click on the enter, then scroll down, use the Control Shift and enter. You will have this header for each page. Now if you want to add a footer, use the same way and click on the, for example, I will type my name here, then click on the close header and footer. Now scroll down and you will find the same signature in each page. In the footer of the page, this is my name, and once again this is my name in this page, and this is the, so you can add and insert images or names. I will do it right now. Double click, then go and click once again on the insert, choose an image from your device. You can do the same method for the footer or for the header. Then click on the close header. We will find this image in each page in footer. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe on our channel.